Your Lutron occupancy sensor comes with standard default settings that you can easily customize to fit your needs. Here's how to change the timeout, sensor mode, and motion sensitivity settings. Timeout is the delay until the lights go out after a person has left the room. The timeout default is 5 minutes. You can also set the timeout for 1, 15, or 30 minutes. To change the timeout, press and hold the main button. To set the timeout for 1 minute, release the button after the lens flashes twice. 15 minutes, release the button after the lens flashes 4 times. 30 minutes, release the button after the lens flashes 5 times. If you would like to return to the 5-minute default timeout, release the button after the lens flashes 3 times. Please note, if you release the button after the first flash, the sensor will go into test mode, which you can use to check if the sensor can see you. The sensor will automatically exit test mode after about 5 minutes. Your sensor's default setting is occupancy mode, which means the sensor will turn the lights on when you enter a room and off when you leave. You can also change the sensor to vacancy mode or daylight sensing mode. In vacancy mode, you will need to press the main button to turn the lights on when you enter the room. In daylight sensing mode, the sensor will turn the lights on when you enter the room only if the natural light in the room is low. To change to vacancy mode, you'll need to remove the faceplate and the wall plate adapter from the sensor. Then press and hold the tab next to the main button until after the lens flashes twice. To change to daylight sensing mode, press and hold that same tab until after the lens flashes 3 times. Daylight sensing mode also has the added function of learnability. If you walk into a room and the sensor doesn't turn the light on, but you want more light, simply manually turn the light on within 5 seconds. By doing so, the sensor will learn that you would like more light in the room. Conversely, if you enter the room and the sensor determines there isn't enough natural light and turns the lights on, but you want the lights off, you can turn the lights off manually. The sensor will learn that you would like less light in the room. You can adjust your sensor to automatically turn the lights off depending on the amount of motion it senses in the room. The default setting is high sensitivity, which detects fine motion such as turning a page, so the lights won't turn off when you're reading. Low sensitivity detects only larger motion, such as walking across the room. To change the setting to low sensitivity, remove the faceplate and the wall plate adapter from the sensor. Then press and hold both the large button and the tab next to it until the lens flashes 2 times. If you would like to reset the sensor to its default settings, 5-minute timeout, occupancy mode, and high sensitivity, press and hold the large button and the tab next to it until the lens flashes 3 times. This will also erase your learnable daylight sensing mode, and you will have to reprogram that feature. Have additional questions? Please call our 24/7 technical support line, 1-800-523-9466.